Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokche Design. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a water reflection in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start by activating the Rectangular Marquee Tool from the toolbar and make sure the feather is set to 2 pixels. Create a selection for the part of the image that you would like to reflect in water. Use the Control or Command J shortcut to copy this selection into its own layer, then rename this layer to Reflection. Activate the Move tool from the toolbar, then go to the Edit menu and choose Flip Vertical from the Transform dropdown. Now drag this layer down and align it to your liking. Now go back to the Edit menu and this time choose Warp from the Transform dropdown. Adjust the little blue handles to further tweak the alignment. Right-click on the reflection layer and convert to Smart Object so we can apply some filters. Then go to the Filter menu and choose Gaussian Blur from the Blur dropdown. Enter 5 pixels, then go back to the Filter menu and this time choose Motion Blur from the Blur dropdown. Enter 90 degrees for angle and 18 pixels for distance. Change the blend mode of the reflection layer to overlay. Then duplicate this layer and reduce the opacity of the reflection copy layer to 50%. Finally, let's look at the before and after images. Looks good to me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.